If you want to change lock screen clock on Google Pixel 9a, then first of all we need to go to settings. Now in the settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and style. And then over here we have our clock, which we can adjust by moving left and right. So this is the style for the clock. As you can see, we have a couple of different choices. Besides that, we can go over here to clock color and size below in order to choose a color that can match the theme that we have set up. We can also choose a specific color over here, and we can also adjust the color itself to make it brighter or darker. So if you want to, for example, set up almost dark color, then you can pick, for example, this gray one and move the slider all the way to the left. Now, we can also go to size in order to switch between the dynamic and small clock. The small clock is pretty much in the top left corner, whereas the dynamic clock is in the middle of the screen, and it changes the size according to the lock screen content. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!